Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am joined by my little sister Freya and I'm going to do her makeup today for the first ever time. And what type of makeup do you want today?
I think I want more of a natural, but kind of just, yeah.
A natural glow?
Yeah.
So not like eyeliner or anything like I do, but
I think
more,
yeah, not as...
You want to go more natural?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to give her a natural glow. We're going to do a natural glow for Freya today and I'm so excited.
I'm scared.
What are you scared for?
I don't wear makeup.
Yeah, she doesn't actually wear makeup. She wears tinted moisturiser and that may be it. And I introduced her yesterday to brow gel for the first time. Clear brow gel because she doesn't do her eyebrows. But you did neaten your eyebrows up, but you like them natural. So it should be a good experience. Excited. I'm excited. This is like, we're 11 years apart, by the way, and we don't really look alike that much. We look more...
Guess the age.
No, don't guess my age. Don't guess my age. We looked more alike when we were little, but we've got different faces. Mine's more, I've got more chubby cheeks. And yours is like, yeah.
I'm pasty.
And you're light. You're very light. So, let's get into the video.
My good side, don't laugh, that's my good side.
I'm gonna have to take off. We're going to take the Revolution Illuminating Fixing Spray. I'm just going to set her face. So close your eyes. This is gonna be a hard task, okay?
I feel wet.
Oh my gosh. For foundation, we're probably gonna mix a colour for you just because you are a bit lighter. So I think we'll start off with the Revolution Conceal and Define in F9 and then just put a few bits here. Mix it with the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Sun Beige. Why don't move? Using the Spectrum collection and we're taking the AO2 Spectrum brush. And we're just going to mix the foundation together. How does it feel having foundation on?
It's like a whole new layer of skin.
It is like a whole new layer of skin. It is quite strange once you've started putting makeup on. And I remember, whoa, your makeup is clear. Your skin is clear already. Like all those little marks and stuff. I don't know if Mum's going to be happy with me doing your makeup because it's going to make you want to have makeup.
I haven't got time for that.
You haven't got time for
it's
makeup.
a lot of effort. Honestly.
You don't need it anyway. Like, keep your eyes closed.
Okay. Like, I give major applause to all those girls that wake up every morning and do their makeup. A full face of makeup.
So basically me.
Yeah.
But I've started wearing less though some days. Like, not every day I wear my no, I don't look for like, yeah, okay. I don't always wear eyeliner and stuff.
Pasty neck.
Your neck must always blend with your neck and your head. It must look like they belong to each other. Does it look weird?
Yeah. Our face has never been one colour.
We're going to set your foundation with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade 220. And we're going to take another Spectrum brush and we're taking the A00. Yeah, because you've got to pat it into them pores. So it makes the pores not pores. It's poreless.
I love to have it.
Well, this is powder that makes you look like you have no pores. At first it may look like you have pores, but that's when the beauty of setting your makeup with a spray. And now we're gonna contour your face. So we're taking the Milani in Pecan. You liking it?
Yeah, I can't stop looking at myself.
And where's my brush? Sit back. And then we're going to take another Spectrum brush, and we're taking the A05 brush.
You should be sponsored.
I know I should be. Spectrum. I should be sponsored. We both have your brushes. Ready? And then we're just going to take it here. So got this. So I can define them cheekbones, please. I'm just going to go that side. That's so I know where your not so high cheekbones are. You can say for eyebrows, we are just going to just define them with clear eyebrow gel, and we are using the Rimmel Brow This Way in clear. For blush, we're taking the Miss Lynn Treat Me Sweet. So put some colour into these cheeks a bit. And for highlighter, we are going to take the Revolution Ultra Pro Glow palette, and we are going to take yet another Spectrum brush in B06. And the colour we're going to use today is this one right here, because it's more of a goldy highlight. So then we're going to set the face with Freya's favourite part of the tutorial, which is the setting spray. Taking the Revolution one again, and yep, close your eyes. Make sure you shake it because it's an illuminating one. Ready? Oh. You're gonna start a beauty vlog. So this is Freya's makeup all done. She just wanted the like subtle natural look. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, I think I look better in person. Can we go outside?
You want to show off your nice makeup now?
Yeah, look. Blemish free.
Well, thank you for watching this video. If you liked Freya's look, then please comment down below. She's going to be featuring in a few of my videos coming up because she's staying with me for the whole week. So if you'd like to subscribe and like this video, that would be great. And this one, miss anything? Alright then, thank you for watching and